Hey everybody, we have got at least one good reason to think that we'll have a fruitful season. While so many of you are dealing with cold weather, we are dealing with hot weather. Down here in the southeast, we hit in the low 80s, and only now today are we expecting for the temperature to go back down. It's another month, literal 4 weeks before our average last frost, but it looks like it's going to be a warm travel to get there. I still think it's possible for us to get a quick freeze before. We have had 2 snows this winter, but despite that, things are starting to bloom. One thing we're really excited about, the one thing we really hope is going to be fruitful this year, is our plum tree. Our plum tree has been here for many years, and last year it tried to set 2 fruits, but unfortunately the tree ended up dropping them. Now this year it is just resplendent with blossoms, and we have insects of all different kinds pollinating it. So we're very excited because not only has it fully bloomed, but the potential for good pollination is there, and it looks like we will get what we want. But there's challenges leading up to that. The weather is changing, and tonight we're expecting a very heavy thunderstorm, and it's already rained yesterday as well. So we're having to hope that the amount of pollination that's being done on the plum tree is going to be enough to really make it worthwhile. Hopefully, between the wind we're getting and the rain that we're getting, all the blossoms and pollen and nectar won't wash off, and the honeybees, which have been very active and all survived the winter, will be able to get over here and get some work done. For now, it looks like the majority of the work is being handled by some predatory wasps and a couple other little one-off insects. Besides that, we have a lot of other things blooming. Daffodils and other early flowering plants are starting to come up, and we're starting to see buds on our other plants too, like our blueberry and even our apple, and starting to get leaves out on other things as well, like our blackberry. And we're even starting to see the tips of gladiolas starting to come up right next to Nana's rose, which also made it through winter and is starting to put off a tremendous amount of new growth. So that's how things are kind of moving here. We're very excited for the plum tree. That's the whole point of this video, is to brag about how the plum tree is finally looking like it's going to have enough blossoms and set enough fruit that we might, for the first time ever, get to have fresh plums at J&J Acres. Thank you all so much for taking the time to watch, and thanks to all of our patrons who always support our channel, even throughout the winter when we sit back and hardly do anything at all. Thank you all so much for that support. We'll see you next time. Bye.